In this short non-repair video, I would like to share my 6 solid points why it's so important nowadays to learn how to fix things. Everyone is welcome. Yeah, let's get started. Number 1. Cultural shift. Well, by fixing things, we challenge the throwaway culture and encourage a mindset of sustainability and responsibility and care for the world we live in. Well, learning how to fix things not only saves us money and resources, but also fosters a sustainable mindset that benefit both you and our dear planet. Second one is sentimental value. Some items have personal or emotional significance. Fixing them allows you to preserve that connection, maintaining a sense of continuity and meaning in your life. Yeah, certain things we cannot buy it again. Number 3, resource conservation. As you probably know, many items, especially electronics, require valuable materials like metals, which are finite. By repairing instead of replacing throw-away items, you reduce the demand for new resources. Think about it. Alright, number 4 is your personal skill development. Fixing things, building practical skills and problem-solving abilities. It fosters creativity and innovation as you learn how things work. If you know how it works, you know how to fix and develop ways to repair them instead of throw it away. Yeah. Next one is cost efficiency. You know how everything is getting way more expensive than it used to be. Well, repairing items is often much cheaper than replacing them. Yep. A quick fix can save a significant amount of your money and time. Well, of course, over time, especially with expensive parts, expensive automobiles. If you know how to learn to fix, there's always lots of resources available. You can learn and do the basics and save yourself over time quite a bit of cash. Well, and you probably already know, environmental impact is very significant. By throwing things away all the time, throwing items away contributes to waste, which ends up in landfills, harming ecosystem and polluting our planet. Repairing and reusing things reduces the waste and conserves the natural resources, helping to minimize environmental damage. We all got used to wording recycle, 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 but there's more to it. Reuse, reduce, and then recycle. Yeah, that's a real point, guys. If I miss anything, please let me know down in the comment section below under the video. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching or listening this video. Yeah, appreciated that. Take care of each other and see you next one. Bye bye.